Today we have another natural niche perfume to explore, and I really love exploring natural niche perfumes because I think if you have the money, you should buy these. Okay, so today we have another scent from Sundar Rehan, Amphora Exotica. AmphoraExotica.com is the website. I will share the link in the description. You can check that out, and also on the screen. So today we have another perfume by Sundar Rehan, Amphora Exotica, which is Nephrite something. Let me see the name. Nephrite Elixir. So I am really excited to explore because it has a very lovely bottle. You can see over here, and the juice is dark, so it means it has some more musk or more oud in it. So let's explore this. I am going to spray it on my right hand. So citrus punch over here. Okay, so it has a very strange kind of floral scent that is dry, rounded, sweet, musk is there. Now it is getting very beautiful. It is damp, it is dark, it is musky. It is very musky perfume. Bright, it has some brightness in it. I'm not sure what it is. It might be some floral. Very different. It has little bit of fruity vibe, light floral, sparkling kind of floral, and it has very damp and dark, musky kind of base. For me, it is kind of like refreshing, musky, kind of like very mysterious kind of perfume. It is like it is trying to bloom, but something is holding it back. So this kind of feeling I'm getting from here. Very elevating. It is very relaxing. Among the both, I have sniffed Nephrite Elixir, and I think the other one was Lavender Mirage. This one is more, you can say, more calming, more enlightening kind of effect on your body and soul. This is really relaxing. This is, I think, if you want to relax, if you want to, talk to or pray, you have to wear this. Very lovely, very lovely. I think I would put it in a spiritual romantic kind of category. It is a very well done perfume. Among both of them, Nephrite Elixir is, I think, my favorite. This is my review about Nephrite Elixir, and I am really enjoying it. I would recommend it for men and women both. For people who are towards spirituality, or they want a calming effect on their soul and body, they can try this out. Make sure you contact Amphora Exotica, Sundar Rehan, and this is a beauty. This is a very well done perfume. I would definitely, if I have the money, I would definitely buy it. It is going to be on my wish list. I'm going to give 9 out of 10 for scent profile. Very calming scent profile, very lovely scent profile. And for power, I'm going to give it 8 out of 10. It is not going to be so powerful like other chemical perfumes, but among natural perfumes, I think it is going to be, it is going to last 3 to 4 hours on your skin. And it has more punch and it has more bubble around your skin than Lavender Mirage. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video review. If you are into natural or niche perfumery, if you love natural perfumes, do check out my channel, subscribe and like. I mostly review oud oils, athars, Middle Eastern perfumes, and niche natural perfumes. So this is what I mostly do. I rarely do the reviews of Western perfumes because for me there are already too many people already reviewing those, and my opinions are a bit different from masses. So I try to be honest. I have some allergies, I have some likes and dislikes, and I show them in my video as much honestly as I can. So this is a very, very well done perfume, and it is, I think, one of the best natural perfumes. If I say in my top 10 or top 15, it is going to be there. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are into natural perfumery, do comment in the comment section below, and I will see you soon in another video with another perfume. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.